Hi, this is Servandoorozco from Orozco's Auto Service. Tip of the day, maintenance. The experts and the statistics on maintenance share their reports that when you invest $100 in maintenance, you will save around $800 in repairs. My advice to you is when you think about maintenance, the best place to start is the manual of your car. If anyone knows your car, it's who makes your car. Because now these days, dealers and independents, they sell you as a packages, like a combo, because it's easy for them. The best way to do is make sure you go to a place who you can trust and they can do inspections, they can test in the fluids to make sure it needs to be done. More important than anything, they need to know why. Because by the end of the day, the purpose of the fluids is to protect the components. If you need any help or advice, let us know. For more information, go to orozcoautoservice.com. Thank you. Have an amazing day.